Hi everyone. So today we are at Karon Beach and are going to have a look at two-bedroom apartment, 68 square meters, with a walk-in distance from famous Karon Beach. When you enter into the apartment on the left-hand side, there is a bathroom. Mhm. Big mirror on the left, and continue to the left is a guest bedroom, the king-size bed, and those nice decorations. I quite like those ceilings. And there is a balcony. The balcony is quite big. And you can have a breakfast there or enjoy your coffee, or in the evening just enjoy your book. Wardrobe, deposit box, and also second exit entrance into the toilet. This is the living area, sofa and the TV. This is when you gonna chill. And this is the second entrance onto the balcony, as I said before. One of the advantages that the dining area is quite big. You put it a little bit in the middle and 6 people can sit down and enjoy the dinner. Let's go this way. This is a master bedroom, much bigger than the one before. Wardrobe, dressing table, and a small balcony which has a washing machine on. Washing machine. So, and there in the end, we have a bathroom. This is the 5th floor. On the 5th floor, you have this kind of green area where you can do the morning exercises, or in the evening just chill with your friends. Look at this beautiful mountains that surround the project. It's very peaceful, very uh, quiet around here. Palm trees, coconut trees, beautiful. And now we are on the rooftop. So look at this beautiful view, the sea view. If the weather was good, we would see the sunset right now. And okay, infinity swimming pool with I think 15 by 12. It's quite big because in the project there's only 30 apartments, so the swimming pool is very big. Showers, dressing rooms, and the toilet, everything that you need on the rooftop next to the swimming pool. Okay, so let's finalize. This is a newly built condominium in walking distance from Karon. Everything in walking distance, like a Family Mart, 7-Eleven, something to eat, different cuisines, and the bars, spa, restaurants, everything is in walking distance. And this apartment is 68 square meters, goes only for 7.1 million baht. This is a great deal in Karon. You almost never see something like that. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time.